artista ka na naman. Squirrel. Okay. Where you going? There you go. Look at that, guys. See that? See? Or he probably looking for food. You know? See that? Laki niya. No? Ang galawang kamay. Ayun. Ayun, makit sa taas na naman. Oh, nagpagpag lang. Ano pinapagpag niya? Yeah. He's waving his tail. Oh, laki. Tumalon. Ayun, tumalon. Ano kaya hinahanap nito, no? What are you looking for? Aga upload na naman. This gonna be my upload. Where are you going? Ang laki ng mata niya. Na? Lusog niya, no? Ay, nabulabog. Ayun yung mata niya. Ang galing niya. Ang ganda ng buntot niya. Oh, look at that. See? He's waving. He's artista now. Say you are my upload today. Show some tricks. Come on. You show some tricks. So that they will going to enjoy. There you go. There, You see that, guys? It's beautiful, huh? He probably looking for something to eat. There you go. Oh, ang ganda ng kanyang buntot. Waving. He's waving his tail. See that?